Welcome everybody to the Italian Glass series. We are pleased to present you an array of the best Italian glass working companies in a 4-episode web tour. In this episode, titled Italian Ingenuity, the Italian companies Mappi International, Schiatti Angelo, and Skill Glass Building will highlight their new products, specifically designed for today's market. The Italian Ingenuity has long been the focal point in the global glasswork sector as a real key to overcome everyday challenges, and we are proud to display just that with this series.
Mappi's clear goal since the beginning is to produce tempering furnaces that are able to make the customer life easier. The only path that we need to follow to obtain this result is the path of innovation, spending time, energy, knowledge, and a great passion. We don't seek innovation just to be different, but to make life easier in the glass industries. This is how great unique solutions come out to allow us to guarantee a constant quality of the final glass, even better than the requirement of the standard in the market. To reduce time at the minimum between the stop and start up, so we are able to maximize production. Make it easy, really user-friendly, all the process of each batch of glass. Since last year, Mappi furnaces were the first machinery in the glass industry recognized powered by Siemens, thanks to a deeper partnership with the key player of Industry 4.0 in the world. All these benefits of each Mappi furnace are able to guarantee day by day, 24 hours perfection. We make it as evidence of the feedback we receive daily from our customer. I want to say better, our partners. This is why we like to say that whoever chooses Mappi is a partner more than a customer. Today, there are more than 400 furnaces around the world. More than 400 companies build their production on the reliability and the quality of a Mappi furnace. At the same time, this is our biggest challenge and our great pride.
Glass is an ancient material, constantly evolving. Thanks to the latest technology, gave us low E glass, laminated glass, and even fire-resistant glass. Mappi investment in research and development has focused on this particular type of glass, and that resulted in Mappi Super Temper, which is a new generation of glass. Mappi Super Temper is the new benchmark for toughening fire-resistant glass.
Some information to better understand what we're talking about. One of the main indicators of glass resistance is the surface stress, measured in megapascal. Untempered glass has a surface stress around 10 to 15 megapascal. Toughened glass normally has a surface stress around 69 megapascal. In the case of fire-resistant glass, the customer request for a surface stress is 160 megapascal.
Mappi Research and Development Department has developed special technology that includes in the normal dimension of a tempering furnace the innovative solution necessary to obtain glass with a surface stress of 160 megapascal or higher, characteristic necessary to certify glass for fire resistance. This Mappi technology has a name, Super Temper, and a logo that identifies and distinguishes this type of glass from all the others. A brand that all our customers can use to give even more value and prestige to the glass they make. Obviously, a Mappi Super Temper furnace continues to retain all the characteristics that have made Fox and ATS 4.0 the reference point for those who are looking for uncompromising quality, constant reliability, energy saving, high productivity. Super temper is just the first of the innovation and improvements that Mappi is preparing for those who want to be at the forefront of the glass industry. Our research and development department doesn't stop here. There will be soon more exciting news.
Mappi's clear goal since the beginning is to produce tempering furnaces that are able to make the customer life easier. The only path that we need to follow to obtain this result is the path of innovation, spending time, energy, knowledge, and a great passion.
Good morning and welcome to everyone. We're pleased to introduce you our double edging machine line model BFP35 for processing flat edge with Arisis. BFP35 model allows the automatic processing of all four sides of the glass without the operator's intervention and ensures a perfect squaring. It is composed by two double edging machines and two linking transfer tables. Every machine has 11 wheels per side between diamond and polishing. This line includes also an automatic glass loader which works together with the machines. Depending on the necessities, the line can be integrated with the drilling center and/or with an automatic unloader. A usual productive process starts with positioning the glasses into the loading area. The area near the loader is delimited by protection nets to safeguard the operator. The entrance is prohibited when the machine is working, so if opening the entrance door of the loader while it is in operation, it is stopped immediately. Over the cup holder frame, there's a scanner which reads the barcode on every glass sheet. The relevant data are taken from both the loader and the first machine. Basing on the codes in the database, the loader sets itself automatically, activating only the necessary suckers and calculating the loading timing while the first machine sets the whole line. The PLC of the first machine works as control center for the managing of all the operations of the line. From the touchscreen, it is possible to program and manage diamond wheels preset, even singularly, lubrication, control of the automatisms, aligning, squaring, glass removal, polishing spindles, visualizations of working data, alarms management. The main electric box is self-standing and contains all the main electric and electronic components like the PLC, modem for internet connection, which allows to program and maintain the machine and other service inputs in remote. In every start, the machine automatically preset all the diamond wheels and lubricates both the wheels and the translation screws. When the glass arrives at the entrance of the machine, some mechanics readers takes its position. The aligning group lines up the glass sheet to the fixed part of the machine, while the removal group sets the quantity of glass to remove for each side. The grinding and polishing process of the first two sides of the glass are made at the preset speed between 0.5 and 5.0 meters per minute. If the glass sheet is big, the central bar for supporting the glass automatically moves according to the glass size. At the exit of first machine, the sheet is moved into the roller section of the transfer table. When it is completely over the transfer table, the roller section lowers, the sheet is laid on the belts, which carry it into the second machine for the grinding and polishing of the remaining two sides. Before entering in the second machine, the glass is stopped for the aligning and squaring thanks to the automatisms. If the glass is big, an automatic system on the transfer raises the glass for facilitating the squaring. Also in this case, the group that regulates the glass removal determines the quantity of glass to be removed for each side. Then, the remaining two sides of glass sheets are grinded and polished. The following phase of dubbing is an optional. The sharp corners are dubbed 2x2 from this group. After the dubbing, at the outlet of the machine, the glass is automatically pre-washed and the water in excess is blown away. Then, the glass is unloaded or goes through the other processes. The diamond oscillating spindle is an optional that can fill the first position into diamond section of BFP series. It is a spindle which has a peripheric wheel that facilitates in a substantial way high thicknesses and laminated glass grinding. Its oscillating movement helps to level the diamond wheels wearing. If you enjoyed the video and you want to know more about our automatic and Industry 4.0 solutions, visit us at Glass Build America 2021 and Vitrum 2021 and follow us on our social media.
Hi, my name is Matteo. I am the sales manager of the company Schiatti Glass. Schiatti Glass is an Italian company that for more than 20 years is specialized in vertical glass processing machinery. In this video, I want to introduce our vertical sensing center Schiatti, that is a multifunction machine that we first presented on the market in 2009 and that is still a reference. Schiatti was created from the need to perform vertically all the processing that were previously exclusive of the horizontal sensing centers. The idea was to create a perfect mix between our drilling and milling CNC that we have produced since 2001 and our vertical grinding machine produced since 2006. We study a special system that will not have limits on the drilling and milling operations. That is now also one of our main advantages. We don't use a suction pass arm that works under the water always and needs frequent maintenance and repairs. With our solution, the water and the glass scraps fall down into the middle of the machine into a specific box. To guarantee a very fast grinding, we always process the horizontal sides of the pieces at the same time. One wheel on the top and one on the bottom, saving up the 45% in comparison to the competitor's system. To do that, we use two spinners of 10 kW each one, with a tool changer rack of 10 or 12 positions. A very important point is that the glass weight is fully supported by the rollers and not by the suction pads, with a big reduction to the wear on the components. The entrance and exit rollers moves up and down in order to compensate for the removal of the wheels. Using two different motors for the entrance and exit belts allows us to work in continuous mode, saving a lot of time in comparison to the suction pads systems, because during the unloading of the finished glass, we already started the process of next one. Thanks and see you in Atlanta. Bye!